Alberta. Alberta is a Canadian province located in Western Canada. It is the fourth most populous province in Canada and hosts a population of about 400,000 residents. The capital city of Alberta is Edmonton. The province has become a popular tourist destination and has many attractive sites like Banff, Canmore, Drumheller, Jasper, and Sylvan Lake. Best time to visit Alberta? The best time to visit Alberta is during the months June to August and December to March. How to get to Alberta? Air. Both Calgary and Edmonton have international airports. Alberta transportation. You can travel within the province by train, bus, and car. Accommodation in Alberta. There are various options for accommodation in Alberta. Budget hotels are available between 30 to 60 Canadian dollars. Mid-range hotels can cost you anywhere between 60 to 100 Canadian dollars. And luxury hotels will cost you upwards of 150 Canadian dollars. Must-try signature dishes of Alberta. Canadian cuisine has British, Scottish, and French influences. Some of the best dishes that you must try are poutine, Montreal smoked meat sandwich, pea meal bacon, Nanaimo bar dessert, Bannock breads, and tortilla. It also serves great seafood. Best places to eat in Alberta? Vero Bistro Moderne, White Bull Cafe, Longview Steakhouse, Patricia Street Deli, Three Ravens Restaurant and Wine Bar, Oka Sushi, Gaga Pizza, Storm Mountain Lodge, and Venus of Waterton. Interesting facts about Alberta. Alberta was named after Princess Louise Caroline Alberta, fourth daughter of Queen Victoria. About one-half of the Aboriginal population resides in urban areas. Alberta is known as Canada's energy province. Alberta's motto is strong and free. The first people settled in the area about 8,000 years ago.
Want to go on a trip? Friends are busy? Need a travel companion? Don't worry, now you can connect with travelers traveling to the same destination on Exceeders.com. All you need to do is join your city club and publish your trip plan with travel dates and place you are planning to visit. That's it. Verified tourists, travelers, and backpackers looking for travel partners to the same destination will contact you.
Top tourist sites in Alberta. Banff National Park. The park is located about 130 kilometers west of Calgary. It is one of the most popular tourist sites in the region. The park has beautiful mountain scenery, ski resorts, lakes, and abundant wildlife. The major activity here is hiking and wildlife watching. Lake Louise. The lake is popularly called the Jewel of Banff National Park. The lake has a beautiful turquoise color which reflects the surrounding mountains and glaciers, giving it an out-of-the-world beauty. People come here during the winters to ski. They stay at the popular Lake Louise ski resort. Icefields Parkway and the Columbia Icefield. The parkway extends from the Lake Louise to Jasper. It is probably one of the most beautiful drives in Canada. The total length of the stretch is 230 kilometers. It passes through beautiful lakes, mountains, glaciers, and waterfalls. Moraine Lake. Moraine Lake is located about 13 kilometers from the Lake Louise, in the Valley of the Ten Peaks. This lake too has turquoise-colored waters which reflect the surrounding mountains and glaciers, giving it a beautiful out-of-the-world look. Waterton Lakes National Park, or Waterton Glacier International Peace Park. The park lies straddling the border between Alberta and the US state of Montana. The Waterton Lakes National Park is located on the Canadian side, whereas the Glacier National Park lies on the American side. The region is a popular spot for hikers and campers. Jasper National Park. It is Canada's biggest national park, spreading over 10,878 kilometers of land. It has fewer visitors, making it more apt for people who would like to avoid the usually tourist-populated sites. The highlight of the park is the Maligne Lake. Calgary Stampede. The city is a vibrant and modern place and has roots linking them to the Cowboys. It is most popularly known for its annual festival, which goes by the name Calgary Stampede. The 10-day event attracts rodeo participants and fans from all over North America. Sunshine Village Ski Resort. The village is located just outside the town of Banff. It is one of the most well-known ski resorts and is a perfect place for hiking and walking during the warmer seasons. Also, you can take a 20-minute gondola ride which takes you up towards Sunshine Meadows. Drumheller Landscape. It is located about 140 kilometers from Calgary. The town is interestingly nicknamed as Town of the Dinosaurs. About 75 million years ago, the region was inhabited by various species of dinosaurs. Many fossils have been found in this region. Kananaskis Country. It is located about 80 kilometers from Calgary. The place is a favorite amongst hikers and campers. There are also many resorts and golf courses, which make it a comfortable gateway for more luxury vacation seekers. One of the main highlights is the Peter Lougheed Provincial Park, a perfect place for spotting various wildlife like bighorn sheep, mountain goats, grizzly bears, elks, and black bears.